Okay, so this game is pretty simple. You start with a letter in a position, one of the 9 grid squares, and you have to tap on. So if the next, we started with C, it was in the middle, and the next position we had C in a different place, it was in top left. So basically what changed is it was same letter but not in the same place. In this case, it was in the same place. Okay, so let's play the game. So we have E right here, and then E, it was same letter but different place. Same letter, same letter. Okay, A, it's not in the same place. Okay, I can't focus. It wasn't in the same place and it was a different letter, so you didn't have to tap on anything. Uh, so yeah, that's how you play the game, and the more you play it, the faster, well, the less time you have to make a decision. Okay, so let's try to focus. So we have D, B, it's in the same place, same letter, same letter, same place, same place. Okay. C, E, okay. Yeah, we just missed it. So yeah, if you miss uh, an action, the game ends and you can restart. But yeah, that's the whole game.